Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mel and I am the Youthful Mama. Today I want to share with you a guaranteed 5-minute makeover. It's perfect for busy people, anyone who's rushing out of the house, whether you're going to pick up someone or drop off some kids at school and head to the shops, and you just want to quickly look decent and not like a complete exhausted wreck, then this video is for you. I guarantee you it can be done in 5 minutes. The key to making sure that you can get ready in 5 minutes is to actually have your products laid out for you or put into a little makeup bag. I like to use a little makeup bag just like this. It fits everything that I need. I literally only used 6 products today. You can lay it out, but if you've got small kids who touch all your things when you lay things out, you know, on the bathroom cabinet, keep it in one of these, hide it up in the shelf like I do, and then when you get some free time you can actually pull it out and get ready, and you can actually take this with you as well. So if you're going somewhere like work, for example, and you're running late, you've taken the kids to school, you've dropped by the shops to pick something up on the way to work, and you arrive at work and you have no makeup on at all, grab your little bag from your little makeup bag from your handbag and go in the bathroom and put your makeup on, and it will take you 5 minutes. The boss won't even notice that you're missing. So today's video wasn't timed, but everything I did took no more than 60 seconds. So I had to edit it so you couldn't actually see that it legitimately was a 5-minute makeover, but I just want to show you that everything can take 60 minutes. Give it a try, and if it doesn't work for you, message me, because this is a guaranteed 5-minute makeover. Busy women. If you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's in red capital letters right below, and click on the little bell and you can actually select all, so that every time I upload a new video you'll always see a notification on your phone or your iPad or your computer. Quick disclaimer, my content is influenced by my love of beauty and 100% not influenced by brands, PR products received or brand partnerships. I always give my complete honest opinion on beauty products in my videos and all other social media accounts. Thanks so much for watching, and let's get straight into this look. I'm going to start today's video by moisturising my skin. I'm actually using a Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched primer. Now for this look, please don't feel like you need to use a primer, because we're actually not going to be doing a full face of foundation, and I certainly would not recommend going out and buying a primer or a moisturising cream that is worth $85. It just so happens that I have this product and I love it. You guys know how much I care about my skincare routine, and even though I'm only using a concealer and not a full face of foundation, I still feel the need to actually use it. I'm not going to use moisturising cream as any part of this 5-minute makeover tutorial, because let's face it, we all put moisturising cream on in the morning regardless of if we wear makeup, so that's not going to be part of this tutorial. Step number 1 is going to start with concealing. For step number 1, we're going to go in with concealer. The concealer I recommend is a shade that is your exact skin tone. The reason being is because we're not going to be doing a full face of foundation, as I mentioned. We just want to cover pigmentations, scars, any sort of discoloration in the face, and for me that's under my eyes, around my nose, and a little scar on my chin and my eyelid, and we're going to blend that out with a beauty blender. We're not going to use a lighter concealer today, because otherwise we will need to use foundation and bronzer. So just find a shade that is your exact skin tone, and there's no need to buy anything expensive. This literally cost me $9. Step number 2, I'm going to fill in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. The reason why I'm using a pencil is because it's a lot faster than using any other product, and this shouldn't take any more than 60 seconds. The third step, I'm going to set my face, which is going to blur any imperfections and also get rid of any shine. Today I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, and this shouldn't take any more than 30 seconds. I'm going to use the same powder to set my eyelids so that I can put a tiny little bit of eyeshadow. And for this step, I'm going to save my time and not pick up a new brush. I'm simply going to pinch my powder brush so that it's a little bit more dense to do my eyelids.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break through.
Step number 4 is pretty basic. It's going to take 20 seconds. I'm simply going to use a blush brush, and I'm going to use a blush by MAC. It's one of my favorites. I will list all the shades of all the products I'm using down below.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me.
Next step is step 5, and I'm going to use my Hoola Benefit bronzer to actually give some definition to my eyelids. And yes, I am actually not going to bronze up my face because Mama ain't got no time to bronze her face today. Remember, we've got 5 minutes to get ready with kids and get the hell out of the door. So that's not going to happen. A miracle, right?
But don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal.
I swear I could walk out the door with the Hourglass ambient lighting and just look a million times better. I don't know what it is, but it always just makes me look so awake and refreshed. Anyway, we are looking much better. Everything is coming together. I don't look so exhausted and haggard and crazy like I did before. Moving on to step number 6, which is mascara, and I'm going to use the Lancome Hypnose. And no, we are not going to curl our lashes. I know that sounds crazy, but Mama ain't got no time to curl her eyelashes. Come on, we've got 5 minutes. There's no way I'm curling my lashes before putting mascara on. No guy's going to stop me in the streets and think, oh my god, that lady has mascara on and hasn't curled her lashes. Honestly, no one is going to care. I just want to look refreshed, awake and decent and well rested. I don't want to look glamorous. So we are going to skip that stage and go straight in with mascara.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get.
Oh my god, I can't believe how fast I've been speaking through this video. I literally feel like I'm rushed because I'm getting ready in 5 minutes. Well, actually I'm watching myself get ready in 5 minutes. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video and you give it a try. Everything took a total of 4.5 minutes. I do guarantee it. Just make sure you have the same makeup ready to go every day. Please write a comment if you do try this, and if it doesn't work for you, I want to know either way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in my next video.